Hey everyone, Tim here, Headgear Garage. We got an exciting new video for you this week. We're doing another LED headlight review. This one is from a company called AutoOne, and I'll be honest, when they first reached out to me, I was not because of the company, but I was not certain that it was something I wanted to do. I have just done an auto or LED headlight review, install and review, and I was like, I don't know if I want to do another one this close to that one. But then I thought, what a good opportunity for me to, one, test out another company, and two, these ones are not affiliated with the first one, but again, they did send this to me as a free of charge just to try it and give you my opinion and show you how to install it. But the second thought was, what a great opportunity for me to also compare headlights from the last company to this company. Again, different model of bulb, different companies. So. But more what I'm looking at is I'll be able to do a review down the road, just basically update everybody on longevity, which I was going to do anyway, but now I'll have a comparison of a second set of bulbs. I was going to show you the unboxing of it, me taking the nice little cellophane wrapper off and the whole works, but for some reason my camera was not into that and decided not to record anything. So we got that problem fixed, so we're going to start over. I don't have the cellophane to take off anymore, but we are still going to be able to pop it open here now. There we go. And see what we got. All right, let's see here. First impressions. I like them. They got a lot of weight to them. You know, they're pretty hefty. They actually feel like the casings. This is the this particular model is the 9007 or HB5s for the vehicle I'm putting them in. But they honestly feel like, I think the casing might be like a, I don't know, a metal of some sort, aluminum maybe. Not sure. If this thing says anything about it or not. Body material, aviation aluminum. There you go. That's nice. O-ring on this one looks to be in good shape. These are high-low beam based on the specific application. No damage. The pins are all nice and straight. No damage there. So far so good. They look great. Let's take a look at the other one here. Again, the weight. Just not used to a headlight bulb being that hefty. Again, the O-ring looks good. The pins in the back look good. So yeah, sweet. So as I said, what we're going to do is install these in my 2014 Nissan Juke. I wasn't sure I wanted to do it again, truly. Just I honestly don't want to be known as the headlight review guy. That's not what I started my channel to do. But then I thought, you know what? Just to get a second option on headlights for myself and other people, let's go ahead and do it, and then we can do a comparison down the road on how they're holding up. If one's doing better than the other, if they're both doing equal. I mean, let's hope they both do equal. But for now, we're going to go over and review these, as I said, AutoOnes. I don't know if you can see that, AutoOne's LEDs. There will be a link in the description to AutoOne. They also offer they gave me the opportunity to offer you guys, I should say, a discount code. So that's it'll be a 15% discount off of any orders you use if you use that affiliate link. That code will pop up here at the end of the video. It'll be on the screen, so you'll be able to see it there to what to use. So stay tuned to the end to make sure you get that code. In the meantime, as I said, let's get these installed. Before we do that though, I am going to go in and change clothes because I'm wearing clothes that I don't want to get the undercoating that we have on that Juke, just like I have on my truck. I don't want to get that all over these clothes. So for me, that's going to take a few minutes. For you, however, it's going to happen right. Hey, as promised, right back. We have the Nissan Juke here. Got the hood up. Got a little light under the hood for us there. Let's get this light bulb install done. First things first, I'd like to put a pair of gloves on, just so you don't touch these other bulbs with my bare skin. Let's see if we can get you in here so you can see what we're doing. All right, so what we have to do is the bulb is down in here, so I have to pop, there's a pin, see if we can see it, pin right here, and that'll just take this filler neck off, and that'll give me access down into, see where we're at here, right here on this filler neck, and that'll give me access down. Doing the hard side first. And this is only the hard side because of this little filler neck. Okay, set that out of the way. You know, reach down here, undo the lock ring. Pull the bulb up. There it goes. Okay, bulb in. There. Simple, right? Yeah. Let's back up here. Let's go test that bird out. See how she works. That is the low beam. There's the low beam. Oh, come on up right there. Low beam. And there's the standard halogen, and like I said, these are fairly new. Let's get that. Got more of an orange light to it. Definitely a lot crisper and white. Okay, let's try the high beam. Boom! High beams. Oh my. Wait till you see this change. Up. Yeah. Wait till you see this change. Left them on too long. Okay. There's the high beams. I don't have the car running, so they time out. Nice and bright. And again, you can see the difference, the more yellow hue to it. All right, let's turn them off. Let's get the other side done. First things first, let's get that filler neck put back on there. Put that filler neck back in. Here's the fun part. Getting my fingers in here. I gotta take that glove off. almost up the pin. There, we got it. Let's move to the other side. Get you a better line on this one. So it is right here. If you can even see it, but that's it right there. You can see the red from the plug. This is the ring I got to take off. There it goes. Out of there. Okay. Well, the fun part of fighting it back into that little spot. Turn that out. Okay, we're in. I just gotta get it rotated in the right direction here. All right, let me start all over. Nothing wants to go together. There we go. All right, so we got that together. Let's get reset here. That's a fight. Let's get reset here and we'll check it out. All right. You guys watching? Let me know if they kicked on. Well, I can tell from here they kicked on. That is the low beam. That is the high beam. The AutoOne LED headlights successfully installed on the 2014 Nissan Juke. I'm going to say as a initial reaction to them, outstanding lights. The build quality was very good. The light output on both the low and the high beam, outstanding. Just crystal clear, bright lights. Really impressed. As I said in the beginning too, there is a link in the description to AutoOne and their headlights. They have headlight bulbs for pretty much anything you own. Check them out if you want, if you're looking for a set of LEDs. If you use the link, there is a coupon code for you. It is Headgear15. It'll be right here, Headgear15. Use the code, save yourself 15% on your purchase. From Headgear Garage, Tim, we're out. Hope to see you on the next one.